Student achievement data is used by the Colorado Department of Education to get an understanding of how peer schools are working together, which schools are doing well, which schools are struggling. This data has really been piling up and piling up and piling up, and it's collecting this data, but you also need to be able to visualize it. You need to be able to understand trends. You need to see, hey, are things improving? Are things getting worse? Have the changes we've made in approach, is that being effective? Is it not? They're really working now to try and share that data in a way that's going to be much more effective, and it can be handled much more rapidly than it was before. Universal Mind is a digital solutions agency. We are approached by the Colorado Department of Education and the Center for Assessment to come in and lay out a holistic solution. Right from the start, it was clear that it was going to need to be a very clean and usable UI to really get the most value out of the solution. They didn't want to have to do a lot of training for administrators, for parents, or for teachers. The SchoolVIEW solution was going to need to be very ubiquitous. You're going to need to be able to access it via the web. We chose the Adobe Flash Platform because of its ubiquity, because of its richness, because of its ease of development, and its ease to design. The early design work, when we were kicking around ideas kind of on sketchbook, right, to just pass ideas around, sitting around the table. From there we moved into higher fidelity wireframes with fireworks. When we moved from the wireframing process, we wanted to go right into rapid prototyping so we could get quick user feedback. We chose to use Flash Builder and the Flash Platform to create flex prototypes. We also utilized Catalyst to help with rapid prototyping and adjusting to user feedback very quickly. SchoolVIEW ties into back-end data systems, namely in this case Oracle, via the use of Blaze DS. And the seamless integration was quite powerful between the Flex application and the back-end database. Our designers are very familiar with the Adobe Creative Suite. They're very comfortable with it and love the flexibility and power that it gives them. Utilizing Adobe technologies, the big benefit is the very clean designer to developer workflow, and it makes a very clean integrated process, which is crucial to Universal Mind. SchoolVIEW currently has been rolled out to over 180 school districts. It's available to parents, it's available to administrators, it's available to people throughout the country. The exciting thing is that once other states start adopting this uniform way of assessing student achievement, it's going to help with the national dialogue of how should we be approaching education, how should we be approaching funding, how should we be approaching changes in curriculum. SchoolVIEW is going to be a very rapidly progressing solution. We're going to be adding features, we're going to be adding to different platforms such as mobile, and given Adobe's dedication to advancing technologies, we're very certain that Adobe is going to help us meet the needs of the application as it grows.